Right, next question. Find a upper triangular matrix such that a power 3 is equals to 8 minus 57 0 27. Okay, try this one. Find a upper triangular matrix A such that a power 3 is equals to this one. Okay, find out fast. Pause and find out. Okay, done. See, what do you want? We want a upper triangular matrix A such that a power 3. Now order of a power 3 is 2 is to 2, 2 by 2. Then obviously order of a is also 2 by 2. Okay, now. So actually to find what do you want? We want a, and it is given that a cube is given. So first I have to assume a. Okay, now. So first I am assuming a upper triangular matrix. Let a upper triangular matrix, it means all the element below the principal diagonal must be equal to 0. So there is only one element below the principal diagonal, this must be equal to 0. And what about the other? There may be any element, so a, b, c. Now this is the upper triangular matrix now, because all the element below the principal diagonal are equal to 0. Okay. Now we want value of this matrix A, it means we want value of ABC. Okay, to get ABC, it is given that A cube is equal to this one. So find A cube in terms of ABC. Okay, now A cube. So directly we can't find A cube now. First I am finding A square. A square is A into A, B, C. Again A, B, C. Okay, if you multiply A11, first row, first column, A square, 0, A square. Okay, P12, first row, second column, AB plus BC, AB plus BC. Okay, P21, second row, first column, 0, 0, 0. Oh, very good. P22, second row, second column, 0, C square. Okay, this is the A square, but you want A cube. Okay, then A cube is A square into A. A square is A square AB plus BC, 0, C square into A. A is A, B, C, 0. If you multiply, then what you will get? Again 2 by 2 matrix, P11, first row, first column, A cube, 0, A cube. P12, first row, second column, first row, second column, A square B plus ABC plus BC square. Okay, now? Now P21, second row, first column, 0. Now P22, second row, second column, C cube. Compare with the given value. Okay, we want value of ABC now. This is the A cube and this is also A cube. So these two must be same. Then all the corresponding element must be same. So A cube is equals to 8. C cube is equals to 27. And A square B plus ABC plus BC square is equals to minus 57. A cube equals to 8, then A equals to 2 because 8 is the 2 cube. C cube equals to 27, then C is equals to 3. Okay. Now we have value of A and C put in this one. So what you are getting? A equals to 2, C equals to 3. So 4B, 2, 3, 6B, 9 plus B, 9B equals to minus 57. 19B equals to minus 57, B equals to minus 3. Okay, now we are getting value of ABC. Therefore, A is equals to A, B, C and 0. This is the upper triangular matrix A such that A cube is equals to this one. Okay, write down. Okay, so can I rough? After this one, idempotent matrix and involutory matrix and nilpotent matrix. Okay. So actually these are not in course, just write the definition or when the any matrix square matrix is said to be idempotent matrix. Okay, see, idempotent matrix, any matrix, any square matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix if A square is equals to A. Okay, if A square is equals to A, then A is said to be idempotent matrix. Next is involutory. Involutory matrix. Square matrix A is said to be involutory if A square is equals to I. Okay. Next is nilpotent. Okay. If A is a square matrix, okay na? Suppose A is any non-zero square matrix, then you are finding A square, then you can find A cube, A power 4, okay, like this one, A power P plus 1, A power P minus 1, like this one, okay na? Now suppose this is a non-zero matrix, okay, this is also non-zero matrix, this is also non-zero matrix. Suppose up to A power P minus 1 we are getting non-zero matrix, okay, and A power P become a null matrix. If A power P become null matrix, then now all other will be null matrix, because A power P plus 1 is A power P into A. If A power P is null matrix, then multiply any null matrix with any matrix, then again you will get null matrix. No? So these all become null matrix. Okay. So if you any matrix in such a way that up to a fixed power we are getting non-zero matrix and A power P becomes 0, then after that always you will get all remaining as 0 matrix. Okay. Then this matrix A is said to be nilpotent matrix. Okay. After this one, this will be nil, where P is a index, okay, or degree of nilpotency. If A power P is equals to null matrix, but A power P minus 1 is not a null matrix, okay, up to A, before A power P there is no null matrix, okay na? But A power P minus 1 is not a null matrix, but A power P is a null matrix, okay. Then A is said to be nilpotent matrix with index P. With index P, this P is known as degree of nilpotency. Okay, P is known as degree of nilpotency. Okay. So this is about nilpotent matrix. Okay, right, next periodic matrix. Okay, now what is the periodic matrix? As periodic function, any function fx said to be periodic function if fx plus t is equals to fx for positive real number t. Okay. So similarly, any matrix A is said to be periodic matrix if A power 1 plus k is equals to A. Okay, it means after a certain power again values are repeated, okay na, matrix repeats its value. So if A power 1 plus k is equals to k, where k belongs to natural number, it means positive integer. If A power 1 plus k equals to k equals to A, then A is said to be and also now where k is smallest possible positive integer, k is smallest positive integer, okay na, then this become period. Then a is said to be periodic matrix with period k. Okay, if a power 1 plus k equals to a, where k is positive integer and smallest possible positive integer, okay, then a is said to be periodic matrix with period k. Actually these all are not in course for JEE Mains or advanced, okay, but if you will get the, okay na, so only sometimes question appeared in a form of assassination, okay. So this is done. Now what is the next in this one? Periodic matrix. Write a note in this one. Suppose n belongs to positive integer. If n is positive integer, then a power 1 plus nk is also equals to a. This is also true if this true, okay. Also hold true if a power 1 plus k is equals to a. If a is periodic matrix with period k, then a power 1 plus nk is also equals to a. Okay, if you want proof, then choose any value of n. Okay, I just want to prove only by using any example now. So I am taking n equals to 2. Okay, so suppose I am taking n equals to 2, 1 plus 2k. Okay, now I want to prove that if a power 1 plus k equals to a, then a power 1 plus nk is also equals to a. It means this also equals to a. You can also take 3k, 4k, 5k, doesn't matter, but it become lengthy now. Now I can write this one as a power k into a power 1 plus k. Obviously, again we are getting same power of a na, okay, a power 1 plus 2k. Now a power 1 plus k is equals to a, so a power k and this is a. Then again if you multiply, we are getting k plus 1 or 1 plus k power, same thing. Now a power 1 plus k is equals to a, okay, hence proved. Write down. Okay, can I have? Okay, now see. Okay, write a question based on this. If a square is equals to I, then find period of a. If a square equals to I, then period of a, find out. Okay, I have option 1, 2, 3 or 4. See, if a power 1 plus k is equals to a, then k is the period where k is smallest possible positive integer, okay na? So if you want period of a, then you have to convert this equation in this form, a power 1 plus k equals to a. What do you want? A power 1 plus k equal to a. At this side we want a na, so multiply with a. If you multiply with a, then a into a square equals to a into I is a. Then a power 3, it means 1 plus 2 equals to a. Then k is 2, okay, k equals to 2, and this 2 is the period of a. So period of this one is 2, not 1, okay na? Because first you have to write this one in terms of a power 1 plus k equal to a. Here we want a, so I have to multiply with a. If you multiply with a, then this become a power 3. A power 3, it means a power 1 plus 2 equal to a na. Okay, so 2 is the period. Okay, can I? Okay. Right, I guess. If A is equals to 3 minus 4 1 and minus 1, okay, use induction mathematical induction to prove A power n is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n and 1 minus 2n, okay, where n belongs to n. Actually you will get these type of question only in board, okay na, board exam. Okay, prove the statement by using mathematical induction. Okay, now how to prove? To prove any mathematical statement by using mathematical induction, we have 3 steps. First step is check this one for n equals to 1. Okay, check for n equals to 1. Okay, and when you will check for n equals to 1, you will get that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, then assume from our side that this statement is true for n equals to q. Okay, the statement is true for n equals to k. And last third step, and by using second prove for n equals to k plus 1. Okay, it means first step check for n equals to 1, second step assume that statement is true for n equals to k, and prove for n equals to k plus 1. Prove for n equals to k plus 1, it means prove that for n equals to k plus 1, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, by using this one. Okay, so first write these, then we will take this question now. Can I have these steps done? Okay, okay, see I am writing here. Now first one, first what we have to do? First I am assuming this one as statement Pn, statement in n now. Okay, so I am assuming that this is an statement, okay, Pn. A power n is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n and 1 minus 2n, where n belongs to natural number. Now first step is first check for n equals to 1. So put n equals to 1. If you put n equals to 1, then this statement become P1. Okay, and here a power 1 is a. If you put n equals to 1 in this one, what we are getting? 2 plus 1 3 minus 4 1 and minus 1. Now check this is true or not. It means a equals to this one or not. You can check. A equals to 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Okay now? True. For n equals to 1. Okay, because this is the value of a. So now this is true for n equals to 1. First check for n equals to 1, then second step assume that this statement is true for n equals to k. Now let pk is true. Okay, and statement n equals to k is true, and statement is Pn now. For n equals to k, this become pk. Now I am assuming that Pk is true. Pk is true, it means in Pk LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so first write Pk. It means put n equals to k. If you put n equals to k, what we are getting? A power k is equals to 1 plus 2k minus 4k and k and 1 minus 2k. Okay, equation number 1. Because this is true now, so a power k value. Now you can use this one, that a power k is equals to this one. Now we have to prove for n equals to k plus 1. Okay, so step third. Now for n equals to k plus 1, put n equals to k plus 1, statement become pk plus 1. Okay, at this side what you will get? A power k plus 1 equals to, here what we are getting? 1 plus 2, replace n with k plus 1, k plus 1, after that minus 4 k plus 1, and here we have n as k plus 1 and 1 minus 2 k plus 1. Okay, now this one we have to prove. To prove this one, find the value of LHS. I have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS now, so I am taking LHS. LHS is a power k plus 1. Now to prove that a power k plus 1 is equals to this one, you can use this statement, because this is true now. Okay, it means I can put value of a power k is this one. So can you write this one in terms of a power k, because we have value of a power k, so I can write this one as a power k into a. Now put the value of both. A power k, because this is true, so 1 plus 2k, after that minus 4k, after that k and 1 minus 2k. This is the value of a power k. Okay, now a is 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Okay, now multiply. If you multiply, what you will get? P11, first row, first column, first row, first column. 3 plus 6k minus 4k. This one into this one is 3 plus 6k now and minus 4k. So what you will get? 3 plus 6k minus 4k, 3 plus 2k. P12, first row, second column. This one is minus 4 minus 8k and plus 4k. So minus 4 minus 8k and plus 4k minus 4k. Okay, P21, second row, first column. 3k plus 1 minus 2k. 3k plus 1 minus 2k, what you will get? K plus 1. And P22, second row, second column. Minus 4k and minus 1 plus 2k. So what we are getting? Minus 2k and minus 1. Now check this is equal to RHS or not. Can I rub this one? It means, can you write this one in this form? If you find value of this one, what we are getting? 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3. Okay, so I can write this one as 1 plus 2k plus 1, because both are same na. This one equals to this one or not? Minus 4 minus 4k, minus 4k minus 4, obviously. So again I can write minus 4 into k plus 1. Similarly, k plus 1 is equals to k plus 1, and 1 minus 2, k plus 1 is minus 2k, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, this is the same thing. So 1 minus 2, k plus 1. So we are getting RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, this is the only question. After this one, you can say that statement En is true. En, it means given a statement is true. Okay, remaining we will take tomorrow.